Friends, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to see how to make a honey soy glazed fish. It's so delicious, it's sweet and the salty from the soy. It's simply delicious, friend. So we're going to use the air fryer to make that fish fry, and with the latest tricks and simple tips. So please check the full recipe. So all you need are fish fillets. Today I'm using a tilapia fish, skinless, boneless, black pepper, salt, chili flakes, ginger, garlic, shallots, soy, honey, rice vinegar, sesame oil, green onion, oyster sauce, paper wrap. So before we begin to make, I just want to give this simple marination: little chopped garlic, black pepper, salt and chili flakes. Chili flakes is just optional, and drizzle some with the olive oil and give the nice rub and massage in fish, so it's going to absorb all that salt. And meanwhile, I'm just preheat that air fryer for 380 Fahrenheit about 12 minutes. So about 380 Fahrenheit for 12 minutes. So once it's preheat, and we can add that the fish that we marinate before for few minutes. It doesn't need the full marination, longer time. 15-10 minutes is sufficient. So I just place the one paper, and then I just place the fish and just let it cook for 12 minutes. It's going to cook so fast. The reason is having that nice crispy coating, and that the fish will crispy. Now at the time is over, 12 minutes over. I'm going to show you now. Let's open and check. It's fully crispy, fully cooked. It's give nice crispy and the crunchy outside, and then inside is really soft and juicy. So meanwhile, let's see how to prepare that honey glaze soy. So I just drizzle some oil. So we're going to julienne that ginger and fry it until nice brown. Smells so heaven here, smells so good, the ginger, the fried ginger. And I push it aside because I don't want to the ginger get burned. And meanwhile, I'm adding that chopped shallot and garlic. So we just add some green onion together and give a nice quick saute. And once it's going to nice golden brown, I'm just add that the rice vinegar. Rice vinegar or any kind of vinegar is just fine, friends. It's about 1 teaspoon. Soy, about 1 tablespoon, and give a nice saute. Now it's all the flavors getting absorbed, and now I'm just adding about 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. And oyster sauce really give that pungent fishy flavor in our glaze. Now adding about 1/4 cup water. Once I all get the thick sauce, I'm adding the honey, about 1 tablespoon. So we just drizzle and mix. Now I'm adding that the fish we prepared early in air fryer. It's really hot, so you can see that it's ready now. It smells so good. The garlic, the soy, and then the sesame oil, all is so good. I'm just pour the sauce on the top of the fish with all that shallot, ginger, garlic. And again I'm drizzle more, about 1 teaspoon honey on the top of the fish. Meanwhile, the sauce getting thicker. You can see that. Now I'm just garnish with the green onion. So now you can see that so delicious. So we can plate it, this dish. So this is good with the rice, jasmine rice, or with any good side, and you can eat as an appetizer too as well. And it's so delicious and it's so healthy, loaded with the protein and kids' favorite foods too. And you should try this new recipe, and it's so delicacy from Asia, and the honey is really give that the perfect the sweetness, and then the soy, the saltiness from the soy, the fish itself have a unique flavor, and definitely it's another amazing recipe. So friend, I hope you enjoyed this recipe from our channel to your home, and before that we give it a try. I'm going to give the review how it came. It's so delicious. It's sweet from the honey, the salty from the soy. It's really aromatic and fragrant from the ginger, garlic and onion. Before you leave, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.